Guys, you know me and my heat waves. It's happened again, southwest of England. It's unbelievable. So I was going to change the polytunnel over this week. I'm going to hold it back. I found a few issues. We need to take a look at those. We'll get right into it. Welcome to Veg Patch Ideas. Today, very warm, which is nice, not complaining. Let's go in polytunnel, see what's happening in here. Oh, don't know if you can see that. 27 degrees. Not where we want it in October, but let's deal with what we've got. This week was going to be changeover week for the tunnel. I've planted half of it and we'll have a look, see what's going on there, but I don't know if you can see behind me. All my seedlings are now under shade netting. And we'll have a look on the other side and I'll tell you what we're dealing with, okay? So here we are, we've got all our seedlings on the go, as you know. And these are doing just fine. We're all under shade netting. It is very, very hot today, even though it is October. They're all coming on really well, temperature wise. 28 degrees. And the lettuces are doing just fine. But here's the problem. Planted one side of a tunnel up. So we've got the chard, we've got lettuce, we've got spinach, more lettuce, and then spinach and rocket. So that's fine, yeah? We now come along to the chard, and as you can see, it's been mullered, and what it's been mullered by is cutworm, which is, oh, there's one there, look. It's a little caterpillar, and it's from a night flying moth, and it basically eats the base and the leaves of the plants. So I need to remove all the cutworms before I put any seedlings in, because it's just simply going to take the stem straight out of the seedling. So there's my job. I need to remove all this. So we'll go through the leaves and we'll see what we can take off as we go. There she goes. Right, so 10 minutes later, I've taken out around 8 cutworm, little caterpillars. There's probably plenty more in there as well. I'll have to come back tomorrow and go over it again, preferably before I water this time, to try and catch them in the act, because as I've watered, I'll probably knock them onto the soil. So we'll come back again tomorrow and we'll have another go at picking out what we've got. As you can see, some of the leaves are unaffected, whereas others are absolutely devastated. And the one way to tell if you have an issue or an issue about to happen, you will see the little droppings on the leaves. So it's little black marks. Let's see if I can find a few for you. There you go. If you see that starting to appear on your leaves without any damage, you know it's about to happen and you could probably catch it in time. I've been away for a few days. I hadn't really been paying attention to the chard. I had a wooden board just shielding it, just simply to get some shade on there, and clearly I've had a surprise when I've come back. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to keep taking off these cutworms, and then the rest of the bed we'll give her a nice weed in. It's not too bad, it's all coming through. But the polytunnel is far too hot for the cool season crops at the moment. So once it cools down slightly, I'll plant in the opposite side. And for a seedling update, here's the tray of bok choy, coming through really nicely now. Winter Destiny has actually finally started, so that will be going in a hanging basket. All the spring onion, they're doing fine. Yet again, more lettuce. Kalana kimchi, this is ready for the ground now, but as you know, I'm not putting in it yet because I'll just take the stems straight off that one. Spinach is far too overdue to go in the ground, but like I said, far too warm at the moment. Winter Destiny's coming through. Oh no, this is the Lolo Rosso. There you go, beautiful. Then the beetroots come through. Chinese cabbage. Marvel of 3 seasons, that's what we're calling it. Not done anything just yet. Whereas the all year round lettuce, all germinated really nicely. So a few more weeks on those and they'll be in my hanging baskets. And another tray of spinach. Moving outside, which is where I keep some seedlings now. Tray of spring onions. Question mark here is, I know it's definitely lettuce seed, so I've sown it anyway, and we'll just see what comes up. I do like a mystery tour. And then we've got some mixed lettuce in this one, which has only just been sown, so, and some spring onion, and these are just about coming through. Finally got the greenhouse into position. Don't know if you can see that. Squeeze it into the corner of the plot. So I need to get round to pimping that out at some point. And we've got a surprise for you with that one. That'll be good. Guys, thanks for watching. As always, good to see you. And we'll catch up again very soon.